Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are talking about finding your x and your y intercepts in standard form. So just a friendly reminder, standard form is ax plus by equals c. When we have our linear equation in standard form, we have no fractions, and generally you want your a to be positive. So you'll see in example number 1, I've got my standard form here, and I need to find my x and y intercept. Here's the good news. To find your x-intercept, you set y equal to 0. To find your y-intercept, you set x equal to 0. So when I see that the question asks, find your x and y intercepts, what I do is I make up a table and I say like this, x, y. I do a 0 for the x and a 0 for the y. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this equation and we're going to rewrite it, except this time for x, we're going to input a 0. So x times 0 minus 3y equals 21. Anything times 0 is 0, so I can just cross that off. You'll see I just have negative 3y equals 21. I'm multiplying negative 3 times y. The opposite of multiply is divide. So we're going to divide both sides. Y equals negative 7. So good. So when x is 0, y is 7. So there's our y-intercept. Now, to find our x-intercept, we set y equal to 0. So we're going to rewrite this, and instead of y, we're going to put 0 in. And when we do that, we go ahead and cancel that out. That gives us 7x equals 21. Divide both sides by 7, and we end up with x equals 3. So when y is 0, x is 3. All right, let's try another one. We have 3x plus 4y equals 12. Again, we're looking for the x and y intercepts, so we're going to make our little xy chart and put a 0 for an x and a 0 for the y. Let's start by plugging in 0 for x. Go ahead and plug in 0 there. We get 4y equals 12. Anything times 0 is 0, so bam, get rid of that. So we have 4y equals x. Divide both sides by 4, and we end up with y equals 3. So when x is 0, y is 3. Next one is setting y equal to 0. So 3x plus 4 times 0 equals 12. Anything times 0 is 0, so kablam. We're left with 3x equals 12. Divide both sides by 3, we get x equals 4. You have just found your x and y intercepts when your linear equation is in standard form. Good work. We'll see you next time.